Hello, I'm Dr. Jessica Go.
And I'm Dr. Colin Bucks.
We are co-directors of Semper, Stanford Emergency Medicine Program for Emergency Response.
After the devastating earthquake in Haiti on January 12, 2010, Stanford University was asked to assemble and deploy a team of doctors and nurses. As soon as this team arrived, they began treating hundreds of severely injured survivors in Port-au-Prince.
In the aftermath of Haiti, it became clear that there was a need for trained and prepared rapid deployment international medical response teams. To fulfill this need, Dr. Robert Norris, Dr. Paul Auerbach, and the two of us worked together to build Semper, building a team to significantly improve disaster response and ultimately the number of lives saved.
Semper's mission has three major tenets. The first tenet was established to address the critical need for nimble medical teams that could load and go into a disaster scene. Semper was formed to deploy for disasters and humanitarian relief efforts worldwide within the first 24 hours. This team is self-sufficient for the first 72 hours and will continue working for 2-week rotations.
To fulfill this capability and more broadly expand knowledge of disaster medicine, Semper established the second tenet of our mission, to develop disaster medical education and training. Current medical training does not adequately address the unique aspects of caring for large numbers of acutely and severely injured victims in austere environments. We are building a foundation of disaster medicine knowledge through Semper's courses and training activities.
The third tenet sets a broader vision for improving disaster medical care. We need to pursue research to develop disaster best practices. A scientific approach to medical care has not been adequately applied in disaster settings, resulting in a paucity of data collection to support medical decision-making. We need to subject disaster response to critical analysis to establish best practices and disseminate these results to other responders.
Semper is composed of volunteer physicians, nurses, social workers, pharmacists, and logistics specialists. Semper helps prepare members for deployment through our monthly meetings and exercises. We aim to be self-sufficient to care for ourselves, initiate medical scene assessment, and provide emergent stabilizing medical care.
Historically, we've deployed teams to Haiti, the Philippines, and Nepal. We've also supported smaller responses to Liberia, Ecuador, the Bahamas, and Standing Rock. Additionally, we've completed large-scale mobilization exercises annually for the past 5 years in Arkansas, Nevada, and California.
For all deployments, Semper works with essential partners. We partner with established non-governmental organizations, also known as NGOs, and others in the region impacted by the disaster. To date, we have partnered with International Medical Corps, California EMSA, Medical Teams International, and Bayshore Global Management on deployments and training exercises.
The NGOs assist with mission selection, obtaining local authorization for us to provide care, and coordinating logistics to continue work beyond the first 72 hours.
Semper was formed to meet the challenge of providing medical care to disaster victims in austere environments through preparation, education, and research.
We've subsequently responded to a range of disasters around the globe and developed robust training. Looking ahead, we remain ready to respond to the next disaster.
We invite you to complete this course and become an active volunteer with Semper.